Hi everyone, in this session I am going to discuss about the new ICD-10 updated coding guidelines in chapter 10, that is diseases of the respiratory system. So there is a new update in chapter 10, that is vaping related disorder. So what is this vaping and what ICD-10 code we have to assign for a patient who is having vaping related disorder, now we will see in this session. So vaping is nothing but, suppose when a person who is smoking a electronic cigarette, or else we can call it as an e-cigarette also. So the person who is smoking this electronic cigarette will inhale a vapor. See, you can see very clearly there is an inhalation of the vapor from this electronic cigarette, right? So that's nothing but the vaping. So these vaping will lead to some respiratory disorders or else conditions. So this is known as vaping. So now we'll see the ICD-10 code for vaping related disorder. So in the medical report, whenever a physician is documenting that patient is having a lung disease which is associated with the use of the vaping products, that's nothing but the inhalation of the vapor which is created by the electronic cigarettes, right? So it leads to lung diseases. So whenever in the medical report it is documented as vaping related disorders or else vaping associated lung injury, so in those cases we have to assign the principal diagnosis as U07.0, that's nothing but vaping related disorder, and also along with that we have to assign the associated manifestations like acute respiratory failure or else pneumonitis. So like this the respiratory conditions are there, right? So whatever the respiratory conditions are documented in the medical report, so we have to assign that also along with the vaping related disorder. Now we'll see the remaining coding guidelines. Suppose in the medical report the physician is documenting a definitive diagnosis like vaping related disorder, and also patient is having the respiratory failure. So this is a definitive diagnosis, and also as a patient is having respiratory failure, right? So he will have the signs and symptoms like cough, shortness of breath. So everything is documented in the medical report. So these are the signs and symptoms of the respiratory conditions, right? So in those cases no need to assign the associated, so these are related to the vaping disorders, right? So these are the associated signs and symptoms to the vaping related disorder. So in those cases we should not assign the signs and symptoms like cough, shortness of breath, etc. So are not coded separately when a definitive diagnosis is given by the physicians. But we can code the signs and symptoms such as diarrhea, abdominal pain. Why? Because these are not related to the respiratory conditions, right? So these are related to the gastrointestinal symptoms. So we can assign diarrhea and abdominal pain when a definitive diagnosis, that is vaping related disorder and acute respiratory failure, is documented in the medical report to a patient. We can assign these two because these are not associated to the respiratory conditions, whereas cough, shortness of breath are associated to the respiratory conditions, right? So we cannot code these signs and symptoms, but we can assign diarrhea and abdominal pain. So this is one more guideline. So to have a clear idea, we'll see in the software also. See, U07.0 vaping related disorder. So in the medical report, if we see these terminologies, dabbing related lung damage, dabbing related lung injury, electronic cigarette related lung damage, lung injury, or else e-valley. So like this, if we see these terminologies also, we can assign this ICD-10 code, and also we have to code additionally these codes: abdominal pain, acute respiratory distress syndrome, diarrhea. So like this we can assign the additional codes also along with the vaping related disorder ICD-10 code. As I told, right, abdominal pain, diarrhea, if it is documented in the report, so we can assign this because these are the gastrointestinal symptoms, but these are not related to the respiratory, right? So we can assign this. If fever, if cough is there, shortness of breath is there, so we cannot assign that. We can assign this kind of conditions, diarrhea, abdominal pain. This is the update in the chapter 10, that is the disease of the respiratory system. So if you have any queries, please comment below. Thank you.